Acting like I work here, because I do. I'm here to get the drone footage of the motorcycle show. I'm with my buddy Shadrach. Holy cow, it's freezing. Sexy motorcycles, that's beautiful.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon.
Yes. This is the custom stuff my buddy does. It's what we're gonna shoot. God, it's gorgeous.
Very competitive level.
Look at that. That's sick. Look, it's a tiny, tiny motorcycle. Those mini motorcycles. That's sick.
MG Performance for their 2024 Harley-Davidson Road.
World! Yeah. We're gonna say hi to Gavin.
What up, Gav?
We're gonna send
your
it to
boy
Gavin.
here hooked me up with some serious footage, man. I don't even know what to say about this guy
I ripped
anymore.
around. It's so funny. I built it last night and a piece came off, so then I went to the table and I repaired it. I brought my soldering iron and everything just in case. Well, good thing I brought my tools because I'm putting it back together. No one's bothered me yet. I'm just getting drone footage for the show. LOL. And then I just ripped around the whole thing and nobody cares, man.
Yeah, you're a G.
And if they bother me, I'm like, I'm just shooting for the show,
Yeah.
right? Right? Congratulations.
Thanks,
Have you won trophies before?
Yeah.
Yeah, all the time? All the
Come on,
time?
man, look at us.
So give us a shout out.
So, yo, Matthew, let me tell you something. Wrenchworks is saying that you guys got it down with these drones. You know what I mean? So hold it down,
Well, look at what he
brother.
does with these
Thank you.
motorcycles. If you're in Toronto and you want a sick custom bike, like look at that. It looks like retro futuristic. Is that what you're going for?
Pretty much.
Yeah. Oh, the other one is so beautiful too. It looks like a DeLorean bike. Yeah, baby. What's going on?
Hasn't been run since summer.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Second place, it means you're not trying too hard.
Not trying hard enough.
Nah, if you're in the top 3, you could win.
Yeah, I know.
It's just,
I know. But what happened this year was the paint job didn't turn out like I wanted on this bike.
yeah. You should still be very proud of yourself.
Thanks, bro.
I'll see you, buddy.
See you, man.
I wanted to get tires, but I ended up getting my daughter a helmet instead. I hope she likes it. Let's go get some more footy. Yeah, baby, the packs. I'm just flying packs right off the table. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I don't usually take these things, so we're on a little adventure. See ya, buddy. Have fun. Okay, the last pack, baby. We're going to Young and Bloor for the grand finale. What is this? What is this? Yo, it was sick. That was perfect. The security thought it was awesome. I'm on the sidewalk. They are protecting them all. Public property. Yay. No trouble. They were cool. Just in case you thought. One more bus. Today was an awesome day.
Where's the glasses?
Oh, I didn't even know it had those. Nice.
What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!